If you love woodworking or just enjoy exploring powerful, well-built tools, you're going to love today's video. In this video, I'll be going through 20 of the coolest Bosch woodworking tools that every craftsman, DIYer, or builder should know about. So if you're looking to upgrade your woodworking setup or just see what Bosch has to offer, stick around, because this list might just inspire your next tool purchase. Number 1. Palm Sander. If you're after smooth finishes and precise sanding, the Bosch Palm Sander is a compact workhorse. Weighing only 3.5 pounds, it's designed for comfort and control, especially when working for long periods. It runs at a maximum speed of 12,000 RPM, powered by a reliable 120-volt corded motor, and features a 5-inch disc diameter for versatile sanding coverage. What I really like about this model is how it combines lightweight handling with professional-grade results. It's perfect for fine wood finishing, furniture restoration, or prepping surfaces for painting. Next up, the fixed base router. A true favorite among woodworkers for shaping, trimming, and edging wood with precision. This router packs 2.25 horsepower and a 12-ampere motor, offering variable speeds between 8,000 and 25,000 RPM. That means you can dial in the perfect speed for different materials or bit sizes. Its aluminum body gives it a sturdy, professional feel while keeping it lightweight and durable. And with its adjustable speed dial and 1400-watt output, it delivers both power and control for detailed craftsmanship. For anyone who wants a stable, reliable platform for routing projects, the Bosch Benchtop router table is a must-have companion. Built with a durable aluminum top, it provides smooth operation and precision alignment. It supports both fixed and plunge base routers, making it versatile for a wide range of woodworking setups. It even includes a cord-wrap storage system that neatly stores its 6-foot power cord, keeping your workspace organized. Coming in at number 4, the combination plunge router is all about flexibility. It combines both fixed and plunge bases, allowing you to switch between precision edge routing and deep inlay work with ease. Powered by a 2.25 horsepower, 12-ampere motor, it offers a variable speed range from 8,000 to 25,000 RPM, giving you total control over your cuts. Weighing around 18 pounds, it's built with a mix of metal and high-grade plastic, offering a solid feel without being too bulky. This router is ideal for woodworkers who handle multiple routing tasks and want one dependable tool that does it all. Now, every woodshop needs a good cleanup system, and Bosch delivers that with their high-performance Bosch Dust Extractor. This corded canister-style vacuum features a HEPA filtration system, ensuring fine dust and debris are captured efficiently. It's capable of producing up to 97 inches of suction power, which is impressive for its size. It runs on 120 volts and weighs about 28 pounds, making it a great fit for both stationary and mobile workshop setups. Now, we've got the Bosch Smart Screwdriver. A compact yet surprisingly capable tool that makes small assembly jobs quick and effortless. It runs on a 3.6-volt lithium-ion battery, delivering up to 360 RPM of torque in a lightweight, ergonomic design that weighs just 650 grams. What makes this model stand out is its soft grip handle and precision control, perfect for furniture assembly, light woodworking, or quick household fixes. It's powered by a single AA battery, and with Bosch's smart engineering, you get consistent speed and reliable power in a tool that easily fits in your pocket or tool pouch. Next up, the Miter Saw, a true powerhouse designed for serious woodworking and framing work. This 12-inch carbide blade saw delivers clean, accurate cuts at up to 4,000 RPM, powered by a strong 120-volt brushless motor. It's built for durability and performance, with a cutting angle of 90 degrees, making it perfect for baseboards, crown molding, and other detailed trim projects. Even though it weighs around 79 pounds, the construction is rock solid, and Bosch's design makes it surprisingly smooth and easy to handle. At number 8, we've got the BOSCH Planer Kit, a tool that every woodworker will appreciate for its precision in smoothing, leveling, and shaping wood surfaces. This 3 1/4 inch planer offers a cutting depth of up to 2.6 millimeters, driven by a 6.5 ampere motor running at a powerful 16,500 RPM. It's lightweight at just 14.5 pounds, and the aluminum base ensures smooth, stable operation even on tough materials. If accuracy and finish quality matter to you, this BOSCH Planer Kit is an outstanding option. Coming in next, the palm router is all about precision control in a compact, portable design. This 1-horsepower router runs at an impressive 35,000 RPM and draws 5.6 ampere, making it one of the most powerful palm-sized routers in its class. Weighing only 3.3 pounds, it's ideal for trimming edges, creating grooves, or rounding corners on smaller woodworking projects. The variable speed control gives you flexibility across different materials, while the 10-inch cord ensures easy reach around the workspace. Now, we have the BOSCH Angle Grinder, a lightweight yet powerful cutting and grinding tool perfect for woodworking and metal fabrication tasks. Powered by a 120-volt and 900-watt motor, it operates efficiently while maintaining a compact 5.44-pound build. It's designed with Bosch's signature balance of comfort and control, featuring an ergonomic handle and solid plastic casing for durability. Its 11-inch body makes it easy to maneuver, and the lightweight design means less fatigue during long projects. Number 11. Jig Saw. A versatile cutting tool that's perfect for intricate shapes, curved cuts, and fine woodworking detail. This model features a steel blade designed for cutting through both wood and plastic, powered by a 7-ampere motor that delivers consistent performance. Weighing just over 10 pounds, it offers great stability while keeping vibrations to a minimum, thanks to its ergonomic handle design. The 8-inch blade with 10 teeth ensures clean, controlled cuts, whether you're working on decorative pieces or precision joints. Next up, the BOSCH Circular Saw, a true workhorse for cutting boards, panels, and framing materials with speed and precision. It runs on a 120-volt brushless motor, delivering 1,800 watts of power, and spins the 4-inch 24-tooth steel blade at up to 4,400 RPM. The rubber handle ensures a comfortable grip, while the 90-degree cutting angle and solid plastic housing make it ideal for both job site and workshop use. Despite its 10.2-pound weight, it's incredibly well balanced, allowing for smoother cuts and reduced fatigue during long sessions. Coming in at number 13, the BOSCH Jobsite Table Saw is a professional-grade tool built to handle heavy-duty woodworking with precision and speed. It features a 10-inch carbide-tipped blade with 50 teeth, spinning at 3,800 RPM for ultra-smooth cuts through hardwoods, plywood, and composite materials. Powered by a 120-volt motor, this table saw is known for its stability and precision alignment. The integrated safety brake system adds an extra layer of protection, stopping the blade quickly when needed. At number 14, we've got one of the most versatile tools in Bosch's lineup, the Oscillating multi-tool. This cordless model combines variable speed control with a lightweight design, weighing just 1.6 ounces, making it ideal for trimming, sanding, scraping, and cutting in tight spaces. It's powered by a 12-volt battery system and built from plastic composite and aluminum, giving it a great balance of strength and agility. Next up, the Nail Gun, a battery-powered fastening tool that brings speed and accuracy to woodworking assembly. It runs on an 18-volt power system, delivering 36 watts of consistent driving power. Built primarily from durable plastic, it weighs around 6.6 pounds, which keeps it light enough for overhead work or repetitive use without strain. If you want a reliable nailer that's easy to handle and built for precision, this Bosch Nail Gun should be high on your list. Kicking off the number 16, we've got the Biscuit Joiner, a precision tool designed for creating clean, strong joints with ease. This battery-powered joiner runs on 18 volts, offering plenty of power to cut perfect slots for wooden biscuits when joining panels, tabletops, or frames. Weighing only 5.7 pounds, it's lightweight but built to last, with a durable blended material body that feels solid and well-balanced. Next up, the BOSCH Reciprocating Saw. A powerful, cordless saw designed for both demolition and detailed cutting tasks. Powered by an 18-volt lithium-ion battery, this tool features a brushless motor that delivers smooth, efficient cutting performance with less vibration. It comes with a high-speed steel blade that's 4 inches long and includes 18 teeth, capable of tackling wood, metal, and even plastic with ease. Weighing only 4.4 pounds, it's easy to maneuver in tight spaces, and Bosch's engineering ensures reduced fatigue even during extended use. Coming in at number 18, the Digital Angle Finder is a precision measuring tool that makes layout work incredibly simple and accurate. Constructed from sturdy aluminum, it's dust-resistant and powered by 4 AA batteries for extended use. It offers reliable digital readouts powered by a 1.5-volt lithium-ion system, and it weighs just 2.4 pounds, making it easy to carry and use on the go. This tool really shines when you're setting miter cuts, aligning corners, or transferring angles between workpieces. Next, we have the Router Bit Set, a complete collection for anyone serious about woodworking precision. This 30-piece set features carbide-tipped bits, known for their sharpness, durability, and wear resistance. Weighing around 1.94 kilograms, it's housed in a sturdy case that keeps everything organized and ready for any routing project. If you're doing edge trimming, grooving, or detailed shaping, this set has you covered with a wide range of bit profiles. And finally, the Bosch Laser Distance Measure, a compact, highly accurate tool for quick and reliable measurements. It's lightweight at only 0.19 pounds and powered by 2 AA batteries, offering a measuring range of up to 100 feet, while it's not water-resistant. The durable rubber housing provides good grip and impact protection, making it ideal for both indoor and light job site use. This laser measure is perfect for quick layout work, estimating material needs, or measuring spaces before cutting or installation. The 20 coolest Bosch woodworking tools, from routers and planers to measuring tools and joiners. Bosch continues to prove why it's one of the most trusted names in the woodworking world. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss more detailed tool breakdowns just like this one.